before we start this, there has been a lot of things that happened today. It has been a very difficult day for me. A fun travel day, but very difficult. But now, of course, everything is sorted out, so I feel good. But I did not feel that way earlier. Let's just rewind, go back, and start this vlog again and reach here and then go forward. Hello. So we are now at the Stuttgart airport and we are going home. Yes, this time I'm going home to India to meet my mother for something very specific, and you will know that on the way. But now let's check in my luggage and then go ahead from there, and let's continue this story. Check-in done. I still do not have a seat. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. The security done. Somehow I had a breakfast knife in my bag. I don't know how. I know how actually. I had kept it once to eat something and then I forgot about it, like a cake or something. And then I totally forgot about it, and yeah, they caught it and they threw it. But that's okay. Let's move on. I still do not have a seat and my hair is not hairing today. I washed it yesterday and it's not hairing today, and you can see the airport behind me. It's not very crowded for a morning, but the security was super quick. So now let's go to the gate and see if we will get a seat there or what happens to me today. See you. Quick update, the flight to Munich was full. So now I have to collect my checked in luggage and take a train to Frankfurt, and then probably I'll be able to fly to India. So come with me, let's see what happens. They asked me to collect my luggage from Lost and Found because I had already checked in and I could not get into the flight. So I'll have to also cancel my flight from Munich to Bengaluru and then rebook on the Frankfurt flight. So we've reached the Lost and Found. So let's go inside and check. So I have lost my one bag and I got my other bag. So they just asked me to file for delayed baggage or lost baggage and then collect it later, or they would send it to my house in India. So yeah, that's what we are doing now, and we'll probably leave to Frankfurt, otherwise I'll miss that flight as well. This is so bad. The day of adventure continues. So I am at the Stuttgart train station now. So now we are going to Frankfurt. We did not, I did not get that bag. I think the bag went to Munich. So now they told me that from Munich they'll send it to my home in India. So let's see how that goes. So yeah, now I am taking a train to Frankfurt airport, and from there I am taking my flight to India. My train is here. Yeah, now let's get into this train and then I will continue from there. So finally I'm in the train now. You can see the train is leaving to Frankfurt, and I am also leaving to Frankfurt finally after all the adventure that happened today. Now I feel like Kareena Kapoor from Jab We Met, because in that movie there's that sequence, right, where she loses her, no, not loses, she misses her train and then she goes on an adventure and then finally says at the end when she's on that bus, प्लीज़ भगवान जी अब इस दिन को बोरिंग बना दो, हो गया बहुत एडवेंचर. एग्जैक्टली माई पॉइंट. हो गया भगवान, बहुत एडवेंचर हो गया, अब इस दिन को बोरिंग बना दो. जस्ट लेट मी रीच फ्रैंकफर्ट एंड गेट बोर्ड दैट फ्लाइट एंड गो होम. आई एम ऑलरेडी टायर्ड. आई डिड नॉट हैव ब्रेकफास्ट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस दैट हैपेंड, एंड I just now want to board that flight and sleep. That's it. Finally at the Frankfurt airport we have reached, and I'm so glad. But I still do not have my bag, and somehow I think like every cloud has a silver lining, right? My silver lining here is I don't have to carry two heavy bags alone, and I get to carry only one bag now, and I travel smoothly. So yeah, works for me. And I'm finally at the Frankfurt airport, and now what I'm doing is I'm waiting at the service desk here to waiting here to get some sort of information about it. Where is my bag? What has happened to it? When will I get it? What is the process or something like that? So I'm waiting for that. So once that is completed, then let's move towards my flight. Oh my god, what an adventurous day it has been today. Lost luggage reported. They have a solution for me and they will let me know about it. And now I run to the gate because we have just 30 minutes for boarding to start, and I don't want to miss this flight as well. I want to go home at this point too. The airport is pretty crowded today. I hope I get through immigration soon and I get to my gate as soon as possible. I just hope. But do you know what's the most exciting part today, which I am really excited about? It is immigration. This time, for the very first time, I will not be standing in the immigration line because I have now a European passport and I can breeze through immigration. That's at least my expectation. Let's see how it goes. I hope there is no line and I can breeze through immigration as I have planned. You see there here, the non-EU nationals are going there and the citizens are going here. So we are going towards the citizen side. How does this work? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, let's try how it works. So cool. There it is. The immigration for citizens. Let's try for the first. Smoothest immigration ever. You'll not trust me, but it just took me 5 seconds. That's it, just 5 seconds, and I went through the smoothest immigration of my life. And I'm so thankful for this passport. Oh my god, whatever adventures happened today, I think this was the silver lining for me, because it was always been like, for immigration, I'm standing in a long queue. It almost takes half an hour. And today, within 3 seconds, the immigration was completed. And this was the part that I was most excited for in this trip, to use my German passport for the very first time. And because of all the mess that happened, of course, the joy got overshadowed. But when I got to live it, oh my god, best feeling ever. And I highly recommend this to everyone. Now I walk towards my gate. Finally, sigh of relief. The day has been such an adventure, but I think it's okay because it's part of my profession and I'm used to it now. So yeah, let's go to the gate and relax for a while, and maybe also get my boarding pass and everything, and then let's go home to Mama. We are waiting at the gate, but instead of waiting here, let's go and have a look at some flights. Come with. Now that everything is finished, let's do some flight viewing. I love this part, looking at the flights at the Frankfurt airport. So I will show you 2 fun flights. One is of course the one which I am flying with, and another one is a very special edition flight. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the Frankfurt airport. Do you see this? Wow, it is such a good looking flight, right? I will tell you about it later. And here is the Queen of the Skies, Boeing 747, in which we are flying to Bengaluru finally ate a croissant, and my tummy is a little full now. It's not little full, but it is not empty now. And I'm just walking around in the airport because yeah, the steps that I already got today running in the airport was clearly not enough for me. So I'm getting some more steps done before I sit on a flight for the next 8 hours before I land in Bangalore. Really excited, also very hungry for the flight. I think it's been good. I ran a lot today, I burnt a lot of calories, and now I'm ready to eat on the flight. Some more flight watching. So here is Boeing 747, which is called the Queen of the Skies. This one there, the double-decker one. And there you see a flight from Discover, and then on the back we have the Lufthansa special edition flight. Yeah, this one there. Ooh, that was a beautiful shot. But yeah, do you see the flight? So yeah, that's a Lufthansa special edition flight. And here we have a beauty from United, this one here, and then the rest of the tail sign, as they say, they're all Lufthansa. Oh, that's a special edition flight too, right? 100 years, I think. So cool. So boarding has started, and let's finally go to the gate and sit in my seat and finally for the day relax a bit. Yes, I need some rest, and more than rest, I need some water because I'm so thirsty. I'm tired, I'm thirsty. Let's go board our flight. It's finally happening. I'm flying home to India to my mom. And there is I seat. This one is my seat. Finally settled in, and there you can see my extra slippers and everything. There is the amenity box and I think water bottle inside that. Then you can see me in the mirror, and then there's my pillow and stuff. So yeah, that's how it looks. Let us check out what's in that box. I'm curious. Oh, it's a water bottle and an amenity kit. Let's see what's in the amenity kit later, but first water because I am so thirsty. Yes, the water feels so good. Hello people. So we have just boarded the flight, settled in my seat, drank water, which is very important because I was so thirsty earlier. So I drank water. And now you might think why I am shooting here inside this toilet, because I'm so shy to talk while I'm there because there's one more person sitting next to me and it's so uncomfortable. And no, the person is not uncomfortable. I mean, talking in front of strangers is so uncomfortable. It's not going to happen for me. So yeah, this is where we will talk, and I'll just shoot videos there and maybe voice over it later. So come with me on my 8-hour flight to Bengaluru. Then we were handed over these menus to decide what we want to eat. Front page so beautiful. I love the color. So I browsed through the menu and looked at these multi-course options, main course, appetizers, dessert, cheese plate. Oh my god, feels like I'm in a restaurant and not on a flight. So after looking at the menu, the taxiing started, and this is my favorite part about having a window seat, spotting beautiful airplanes like this one, the Lufthansa one, which is special for the June, because June is Pride month, right? And love is love. And we are ready to take off. Bye Frankfurt, see you again in 3 weeks. And by the way, are you also scared of takeoffs and landings? I wasn't initially, but after the Ahmedabad, the Air India incident, I'm kind of really scared of takeoffs and also landings because in my hometown it's a tabletop runway, Mangalore Airport, and I'm scared every time we are landing there. So yeah, I'm kind of scared of takeoff and runway. But otherwise I'm fine with the flight. I'm not scared of them. So now it's time for me to relax, look outside from the window, spot beautiful cities and towns, or scroll through and start searching for that perfect movie to watch while the food I ordered was given to me. These was this appetizers which had trout and some artichokes, cherry tomatoes, and everything was so yummy. Full points for that. And yeah, I was watching this movie called The Drama, which was really nice, kept me hooked throughout, and I totally enjoyed my meal while watching the movie. Then came my main course, which was salmon with edamame, mushrooms, bok choy, and finally we ended this delicious meal with this dessert, which is basil raspberry compo, I think. It was
totally worth it. I had never tasted a dessert with basil in it. I have always tasted basil in pizzas and pastas, but never in a dessert. So yeah, after the sumptuous meal, it was time for me to flat my bed fully and sleep, lie down, sleep, relax, because come on, I deserve it after all the adventure that happened with me the entire day. So now it was time for me to just sleep, lie down and relax. So that's why I shut the window down and then I went to sleep. Nope, I was wrong. I couldn't sleep a bit. And here we are in India already, in Indian Air, very close to Bangalore, and dinner has been served, which is papaya and mango avocado salad along with corn fritters, some macaroons and blueberries. The dinner was yum, but my head was heavy because I couldn't sleep and I had gone through so much that day. And we have landed at the Bengaluru International Airport, and if you have stayed till here, thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, to see what happens next at Bengaluru Airport, what adventures I get into. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you and bye.